Our 3 glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 82 inches, a depth of 30.5 inches, and a height with caster wheels, we have 82 inches. Keys will be provided for each lock, left, middle, and right. And coming to the right top corner will be the temperature control, power, and light switch. Left, middle, and right swing doors. And included are 12 adjustable shelves, 4 shelves for each section. Please note that the shelves are not assembled for this video, but they will be included. The measurements for each shelf will include: each shelf will measure 24.5 inches in length by 22 inches in depth. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator, we have 77.5 inches in length, 24 inches in depth. Please note that 24 inches depth applies from the back wall towards the front past the LED strip, and a height of 50 inches tall. LED light strips will be located on the left and right door corners. And coming to the left side will be the ETL NSF certification sticker. This refrigerator uses a 110-120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.